Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the not secure error in your Google Chrome. So first, you need to check your date and time settings. Open the start menu on your computer, click on this gear icon to go to your settings. Here, select time and language, then go to date and time, select sync now, give administrative privileges, and you'll be done. And go back to Chrome to see if the issue is resolved. If not, you can go ahead and disable Chrome extensions. Open Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right. Here, select extensions, then select manage extensions. You'll see all the extensions that is installed in your Chrome web browser. Go ahead and click on remove that is no longer in use or that is causing the problem in your browser. Then try opening the website again to check if the error is fixed. If that is still not helping, click on the three-dot menu in the top right. Then select settings. From the left-hand menu, scroll to the reset settings option, which is below system. Here, select restore settings to their original default and check if the error is resolved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.